analytics, where we just describe the data, in this case, create sets of data, and we kind of group the data. The second comes in the predictive analytics, wherein what might happen, you are trying to predict. Now, prediction comes with behavior. If a customer is buying X products, then what is that he is likely to go for a second product? Third one is a prescriptive analytics, which talks about his client being a certain kind of a recommendation engine. Customer buys a product, then your prescriptive analytics system can give them a recommendation about which product that he can use, she can buy next. Kind of a cross sale or kind of an upsell. What were our sales? What is our market share? And what product was most popular? This is all the historic questions. You must have gauged by now that descriptive analytics is all about historical analysis. Predictive and the prescriptive analytics, we're talking about what are the expected sales. Like we have done some kind of sale, and now we are anticipating some kind of another kind of a sale that could be predictive, or we can have some kind of a demand or some kind of a forecast which says what are the expected sales this festive season. Now this has businesses in many ways. Could be the demand planning, could be inventory optimization, could be stock clearance, and many different things. What is the expected market share? Now once you have built the product, once you built the service, now you would like to have some historical data which you already have from the descriptive analytics. Now you will also want to know that by next 3 months, 6 months, so meant by a span of 1 year, what is the expected market share goal, or any percentage that you're looking for, then be analyzed through the predictive analytical systems. What product should be marketed? Be it a prescriptive analytics, which is going to tell you that if you have products across categories, then which one you should pick first to be marketed. Now this definitely helps increase profitability and gain market share. Now, there are many scientific methods. Analytics is a branch of computational mathematics and computational statistics. Computational engineering, computer science, database systems, statistical inferences, and statistical techniques are very, very important to create or to manage a well-organized and optimized machine learning or analytical system.